YouTubers. Going to do a little bit of a rehab on the Mercedes W202 chassis, and here's a few tools you probably need to get in there and access that. I've got a small Phillips head off of a drill bit here. Here's the new unit, and I can give you the part number there later. That's the vacuum module, and just some basic tools. You're going to need a flashlight and probably a pry bar tool, preferably one of these plastic type tools. Can be found pretty much anywhere. So anyway, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get on in there and take that out. Been having trouble with the vacuum modules not engaging with the control unit, so hopefully this is going to help. I've had a couple of vacuum units changed out in the past, and so hopefully this is going to help. It was making a whistling noise, so okay, let's go check it out. Okay, screw here, here. I'm going to make these covers. Two underneath. Here, here. This sucker out of here. Can't get a regular screwdriver in there, so Phillips head. Take this plug out of here. Right over here, let's disconnect that. There it is. In there. Let's snip some of those things off in there. Wire ties. A couple of 3 screws in here. Get those off for the lower panel. There. Alright, got one screw right there. The Torx connector on the bottom, and that just goes in the slide there, tab up top. Okay, snip that off there. And hold on with that one Torx here. Let's see. Torx in there. Hold that on. This deal. Alright. Okay. Take that off there. The clip. That right there. Push up on there, get that off, put the other one in. 202 800 0378, same thing. Just peel that right off. It's got an open, they look like they're all open there, all the ports. So I'm going to take those other tabs off and put this one in, see if I can get any more things going on here. Put it right back in there. Okay. into a snag. This one that I was sold does not have a plug for the #1 hole right on the right hand side there. So I tried taking it apart. I resoldered the joints, and actually it's not this one but the other one I had. I took it apart and there was a tab right underneath where that horseshoe is, and you can pry up on it. I tried messing around with the those tabs and the ones on the back, and this actually comes apart relatively easy. I did knock off one little piece on the right hand side on the other unit, but if you can get into that tab right underneath there and pry up, that'll actually hinge out and you can take the whole unit out. The only problem is that manifold area with all the holes and ports is that you would have to actually disassemble the servo little motor things inside. There's a whole bunch of them inside. I didn't go into that soldering part of it, but just wanted to give an update on what happened. So this one's going back, and I did my soldering. I'm going to hope that helped, but most of the joints look pretty good, so we'll see. Okay, thanks.